Okay, everybody, I had to make this video. Okay, I'm here at Lenox Mall at True Food Kitchen. Okay, I walk in the door, it's these like three ladies standing right there at the entrance. Right, tell me why the fat chick out of the three, they all Caucasian women, starts coughing. I was like holding my breath and moving far away from her as I could. Then when they told me it was gonna be about a 5 or 10 minute wait, I took my black butt out of the door. I'm waiting outside across the parking lot. As you can see, I am not playing. And she just kept coughing, and one of her friends in the group like took her coat, did like this, and stepped aside from her. Like, she was probably thinking the same thing I was thinking, like, is she sick?